Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can convert your Word document into PDF format. For this video, I am converting this Word document into PDF format. Let's open this document first. As you can see, this document is in Word form, so I am converting this into PDF format. For this, you need to open your Google browser. In the new tab, type PDF converter. Hit enter. In the first link, open this first link, click choose files, select your Word document and click open. You can see it starts your processing and converting it into PDF format. Once the processing finished, click this download button. You can see my download has been started. Wait for few seconds to download it. It has been downloaded and open it to check your PDF format. So that is the end of my video. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.